Hey there, tech fans. Ty here, and today we're diving into something that's got everyone talking: AI in the workplace. Imagine walking into your office and seeing a robot at your desk, sipping your coffee. Crazy, right? But what if AI could actually be your new work buddy? Let's uncover the surprising truth about AI and how it's changing our jobs. AI is everywhere these days. From chatty chatbots to amazing data crunchers, it's shaking things up at work. But here's the million-dollar question. Is AI here to steal our jobs or help us do them better? Well, guess what? Studies show that instead of taking our jobs, AI is making us more efficient. It's like having a super smart helper who never needs a nap. Check this out. In customer service, AI chatbots handle the easy stuff, freeing up human agents for the tricky problems. In hospitals, AI helps doctors spot diseases faster so they can see more patients. In banks, AI catches bad guys trying to steal money quicker than you can say, "Stop, thief." Pretty cool, huh? But how does this awesome team up between humans and AI really work? AI does the boring tasks. No more mind-numbing data entry. AI helps us make smart choices. It gives us super useful info to work with. AI knows how we learn. It makes training way more fun and personal. AI makes teamwork easier, even if your coworker is on the other side of the world. But here's the thing, AI isn't perfect. It needs our creativity, feelings, and smart thinking to really shine. We're not being replaced, we're getting an upgrade. Now, let's keep it real. There are some bumps in the road. We need to learn new skills to work with AI. If AI messes up, who gets in trouble? How do we keep our private info safe? Companies need to figure these things out to get the most out of AI. So, what's the bottom line? AI isn't here to take our jobs. It's here to help us be even better at them. It's not humans versus machines. It's humans and machines working together to do amazing stuff. Before we wrap up, think about this. How could you use AI to become a superstar at your job? If this video blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more cool AI stuff. And hey, tell me in the comments how you think AI could make your job easier. I can't wait to hear what you come up with. Remember, with AI, the sky's the limit. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, stay human. This is Ty, signing off until next time.